baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around this day. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lay. The sun goes around this day. Can't wait for the long day. In the sun when
battery. May iPad dyan. Ay, kunin mo.
Fast worker. Etong si, si Pastel Cottage Core. Say hi!
Ha?
Hi! Maglakad. Nakakahiya ka na, ha? Good morning, y'all! Nag-aantay kami ng flight namin. So, kakain muna kami here sa airport.
Special, oh. VIP to, oh.
18 to. Thanks, y'all. Tol, magkano kubaw?
Ladies and gentlemen, may request everyone to please safeguard all those items, hard objects such as glass. Also, please be informed that the Philippine government has officially declared the lifting of the COVID-19 public health emergency status in the Philippines.
Yay!
This means that the mandatory wearing of face mask inside public transportation, including our aircraft, is no longer required.
Thank you for
Para
that.
inyong kaalaman, ang Philippine government ay
Please use this
alinsunod sa pahayag nito ang paggamit ng face mask sa loob ng pampublikong transportasyon.
Kunwari may pasok ako.
Ay, hindi ka puti.
Kunwari may pasok. Sana abot ang bacon mo. Si Chanel ba wala lumipat dito? Nel, lipat ka sa akin! We're reunited!
what if I never get this close again? This close again. Take my time to really look.
The lyrics is, it's me, hi, I'm the problem, it's possible winner, the forward section.
Anti-hero, baby.
Congratulations on the answer.
Sister ko yan!
By Taylor Swift.
Better when I didn't care what you thought about me, oh. Now I'm so self-conscious, think I messed it up.
For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign.
Kamusta ang flight mo, La? Ano lang, hindi tayo nakapagpapala. Great. Una na kayo, y'all. Cebu siya na eh. Thanks, Cebu Pacific. Kana mo ni sponsor. Thanks, Cebu Pacific. So we're going to claim our baggage because if we do not claim our baggage, where will be the baggage?
Jerry. I think that's where we're gonna have lunch.
Oh my god, that's so yummy.
Wait for their review.
May night market later. May night market. Thank you. Crimson Drip. Crimson Drip. Ta-na-na-na-na-na. Woo! Red Crimson Drip. Ang ganda nga. Guys, di ba ang ganda? Comment down below.
Sisigat ang palay. I'm going to eat.
Sarap nga. Masarap yung gravy ah. Ay, napapagiling. Uy! Uy! Against the light ka tayo. Ay, Bobo ka! Ang bulat na ako! Sorry, sasayaw kami. Check lang lang. Maganda yung
okay na doon, sabi ko, okay na, hindi wala na sa atin eh, wala na season. Nakailan ka pa? Ano, next anting project? Mama, sana anting project yung
pre-drink muna yung luggage ko sa room nila Lola. Dito lang sila sa baba. Tapos ayan yung room, ay yung pool. Tapos, akit na natin sa room namin para mag-change na kami. Room raid! Hi guys! Ito po yung room nila Lola. Ito yung CR nila. Jaran! What can you say about your bed? It's comfy. We're going up. Ang hirap pag single. Gusto ko na nandiyan matagapot ng pag-ahari. You know, kaya daw binibigyan ni Lord ng jowa kasi kaya ko naman gawin lahat. I'm strong and independent woman, you all. Ay, edi wag. Pasok ka sa room namin. Welcome to the poolside view. Sweet! Room 2A. So guys, first thing na makikita nyo is this closet. Siguro lagay na ang mga luggage namin if ever. Pero kasi ang spacious ng room namin. Itong desk, TV, kapihan. Sino may vanity? Like here. Tapos meron tayong sofa. Two beds! Yung lumitation ng phase 3. Yes! So, ganda ng mirror! Toilet. And then shower. Area! Yeah! So, the balcony. Hindi pa ako natrato ng ganito. Sa mga hotel na sinagina namin, like, hindi naman kami nakapag-hotel na syempre pang mga family, ano lang din kami nakaka-experience sa hotel. Pero first time namin na magka-balcony. Here is the poolside view. Ayan yung pool. Nasa side nga. So, para ma-view nyo yung pool, may space dito. Sisingit nyo yung ito. Yan.
Ay, ganun pala yun.
Hindi na namin kayo na-update, pero nagbihis na kami. Ito yung first swimsuit ko ngayon. Ha? First swimsuit for the tour. Dalawa lang naman yung swimsuit ko, pero ito yung una. Ang tagal nitong naka-add to sa akin, guys. Tapos, ito din. Binili ko to sa TikTok shop. Guys, di ba uminom kami ng tequila and margarita na Cuervo yung ginamit na panghalo. Tignan nyo. Bloated. Guys, alam niyo ba kanina nag-basking kami? Basking! Let me just move you all here. So guys, kanina kasi, nandun kami, nag-aantay kami ng oras. Kasi 3 pa yung check-in namin, natapos kami mag-lunch ng 1. So, ang tagal pa. Yung bar and coffee na yun naman namin kanina, may mga, K-pop boys. K-pop boys! May mga Korean. Siyempre, ang sound dun, yung mga K-pop. Like, super shy, super shy. So, syempre, as a K-pop sisters, extraordinary. Sumayaw kami. Tapos biglang sabi namin, woo! May gumagano ka namin. Normal lang na cheer nilang as friends. Kasi, syempre, nag-iinuman sila doon. Nagulat kami na pala yung chini-cheer ng yaal. Sabi ni mama, baka akala doon nila nag-aano pumila ko. Hoy, hindi! Andas pogi. Guys, I'm using the sunscreen of Beauty Vault because wala niyo kung bakit Beauty Vault. Warm style. Problema namin ngayon, guys, paano kami makakakita? Dahil bulag kami parehas. Wala sila yung salamin na nakukunik. Guys, tapos na akong magkulot. Di halata kasi hindi tapos. Huh? Kung madali na kasi, I'll be using this Hair Fix Hold Spray. Ayusin ko na yung kilay ko. Hindi na. Okay, here's the look. Ba't pantay? Eh, sa'yo papantayin ko. Pantayin mo yung akin. Pantay naman yung sa'yo eh. Ito guys. Sisterhood. So guys, see you later. Pagkatapos ko mag-shower. We are going to the beach, y'all. Kasi nag-picture kami dito, konti lang. Ewan ko nga kung may mapapost ako dun eh. Basta ayun, punta kami sa beach. After yun po. Here is the shore. Taran. Hindi ko na kayo na-update y'all. Nag-picture-picture kasi kami. Wala naman kami ginawa, hindi pa kami nagsaswimming. Bukas guys, we're going on an island hopping! First time ko mag-island hopping, sa tanang buhay ko rin na nag-beach ako. So, let's make every moment count tomorrow. Kami lang ang buhay ngayon guys, sa day 1 namin. Nagpa-braid siya y'all.
Look at her, y'all.
Island girl indeed. Dapat pala nag-ano ko, make me sweat. We're going to swim today, pero sa lang. Kasi sa island hopping na kami mag-swim sa dagat. Okay guys, siyempre nasa ibang lugar kami, tapos puro tourist yung nandito. So feel mo talaga na tourist ka din, like, welcome me y'all. I'm a tourist too, y'all. Today it's our second day. It's a Sunday, 5:04. Dahil naligo na kami kagabi, diretso na kami kasi 6:30 yung island hopping namin. Tapos 5:30 yung start ng breakfast. So, we're gonna go down early all. We're gonna eat early all. Gaano lang ako? Damos. Tapos, excited ka na makita ng dolphin?
Hindi.
Guys, we're going to see dolphins up in here!
I've been around, but I can't get you out of my head. Straight, try to forget, but the thoughts they seem to drown me instead.
Good morning, Tata.
I've only always wonder what it takes
Good morning, y'all.
to fill this empty void inside.
Good morning po.
But now I've realized you were what I needed this whole time.
Oo, dati wala.
Malaki ang tulis.
Aray.
Ako ano lang, 2 lang.
Parang gusto hindi.
Saan ba?
Sabi ni engineer, at baka patay yung anak po ng subdivision. What can you say, engineer?
Welcome to Balikastan!
No enemy fire. No need to rescue my time.
Guys, transfer na kami sa next island, Virgin Island ata.
Treasure the life you're living underneath the sheltering sky. Bountiful oceans bringing food and rain to the shore.
Virgin Island, y'all!
Love lights, blanket of trust, and the next day is fine. Sirens are mute, and the trees don't cry.
Welcome to Aran of Crop Francisco.
Padre Pio, y'all. Padre Pio, Pahiga na kami, guys. We're so tired. Uy, may gawa niya na. Gusto lang naman namin ng sister girls na picture. Ano yun? Ang sakit ng put ko.
Sabi ko yan, magtawanan kayo.
Guys, papa-reaction video namin.
Ako kumakontra sa ay kalaban ng
Tata, ikaw muna.
Ikaw na humusga.
Diyan muna kayo. Kaya muna. Oh! Wala! Huwag kang ingay!
Si Mami.
Oo, huwag kang
Last message para sa mga
wala, nakasama na natin yung mga pailalas message natin eh.
mga kaibigan mo to eh.
Hey, 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 hey. Ano yun?
Hey.
Ang galing talaga. Ay! Galing mo sumayaw! Galing mo kumalaw! Galing mo sumayaw!
Ayaw ko naman
Hey!
may buhay, binubuhay pa ang pamilya.
Iwanan kita doon sa tamsil.
We're leaving.
Kuha na tayo sa chocolate tea.
Apo.
1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay na po?
Apo. Okay lang po. Gina po.
Makarating ako doon. Okay na ako. Ang ano dyan namin ito nasa unahan, no? Germany yan, Germany.
Destination guys,
sa
Chocolate
Germany.
Hills.
Meron ako sunod na pag-
We are here na sa Chocolate Hills. We're just looking for a spot. Violet color state. Naiiyak ako guys kasi sa pelikula lang ni Bong Navarro ko ito nakikita. Bahol! Bulol! Tanga! Ayun, yun yung akitin namin. Ano lang naman, di ba?
Also, the Chocolate Hills. This is such a dream come true, y'all.
Thank you po.
Play your hand, but can't understand that the games you play.
They gave us, hindi pala bigay to, rent lang. Yung small payong.
On the other side of centennial glass, it was always said, don't look ahead, but I can't help but feel misled. You carry along now, try to forget everything we knew. Tell me God it's home, don't know how we were meant to be. You carry along now, you've been carrying on.
Hanapin nyo na lang guys. Ito yung Tarsier. It's more fun in Bohol. Ito yung Tarsier. We're choosing up Imperial. Maganda to.
Ano nga ba kami naman
100 lang to. Dami dito. Bibili na ba tayo dito? Hindi pa, no? Ay, ito yung masarap.
Yun lang, manager ka namin.
Ito. Guys, I like this. Favorite ko to. Tsaka ito. Itong dalawa.
Ito ang gusto ko. Ito ang gusto mo. Ay, pili ka.
Cute. Or pencil. Para sa exam. Oo nga. Para pang mag-exam kami. Para-paras kami lapis. Kung maangas ka, uwian mo sila ng gato. Hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin dito. We are going to check our photos.
Pangalawa, thumbs up. Pangatlo, happy pose. Pangapat, group hug. Then, panglima po, peace sign. Tapos ganito na po siya, sir, ma'am. May border design. Tapos semi-laminated na po. 150 po isa.
Thank you po. Guys, we're here at the Box River. Dito kami mag-lunch, y'all. Guys, tignan nyo na nag-typhoon agad hanggang dun yung level. Grabe, lagpas to. Ay, sanay na sanay, oh. Thank you po.
just so eager. He's just so happy.
High five! Kate, high five! We're here, guys, at the Mirror of the World. Ito, ang mga ilo-look forward natin. Oh, ito mga isa! May San Francisco Bridge! Brace up, y'all! Ang brainy naman ng ganito!
I spent the summer back in Edinburgh.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the wonders of the world! Woo. We are here at Paris, France! Mabuhay! Bonjour, y'all! Bonjour!
Move out of my parents' house. Every summer it's the same, and I know that I'm to blame. I'm gonna build myself a rocket ship.
Hey, 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 nakikita! Magsakonsa na lang to!
Other portable electronic devices must be sent to practice voice communication with the use of mobile.
Been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down.